Hello, my friends and the respected teacher. My name is Raghav Dubey from class 6th. Today I am going to present a digital story named The Bundle of the Stick. Once upon a time, there was a very old man with his sons. The children were always fighting with each other. As the man becomes older, he starts worrying about his children. Let's see which step does the older man takes to improve bonding between his sons. Once upon a time, an old man who was a farmer lived with his three sons in a village. They were lucky to be rich, but they didn't have respect as their sons kept fighting among themselves only. One day, the farmer called his sons and said, "My sons, I'm growing old. It's time for me to retire from my duties, but before I do, I have a competition set up for you all. The winner will receive a huge award." The sons asked the farmer that why the farmer gave each son three bundles of 10 sticks and asked them to break each stick. The one who breaks them the fastest will be the winner. The sons broke each of the sticks into two pieces quickly. As soon as they finished, they started fighting again. One son said, "I win." The another one said, "How can you win when I broke all the sticks first?" "I win." The last one said, "No, I broke all the sticks faster than you, so I am the winner." Farmer shouted at them to stop and said that the competition was not over and they still had one more task to do. The farmer handed over another bundle of 10 sticks to each son. He asked them to break the entire bundles of sticks into two without pulling out individual sticks. They tried hard, but they could not break their bundles of sticks. Three sons complained that it's difficult to break bundle of sticks, but a single stick individually can be broken easily. The farmer said, "You three are also like these sticks. As long as you stay united, nobody can harm you. But if you keep fighting amongst yourselves, you are like individual sticks, easy to break." The three sons understood the wisdom in their father's words. The moral of the story and some famous quotes. Unity is strength. When we are united, no one can stop us. Some famous quotes. Individually we are drop, but together we are ocean. Alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. Hope I am able to narrate the story of unity. Thank you.